Healthy weight gain is very important for a baby's growth and development. Babies need nutritious foods that provide energy, protein, vitamins, and minerals to grow strong and stay healthy. There are simple foods that help with baby weight gain. Yogurt helps babies gain weight by providing protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients. Take a pan, pour milk into it, and heat it until it boils to prepare yogurt for your baby to eat. Once boiled, pour it into another bowl and let it cool. Then add some yogurt to the milk and mix it well with a spoon. Next, cover the bowl with a lid and leave it for 3 to 4 hours to set into yogurt. Once the yogurt is ready, strain it using a thin piece of cloth to remove the excess water and make it thick and creamy. After the water is removed, the yogurt becomes thick and creamy, making it ready for your baby to eat. You can serve this creamy yogurt to your baby as a healthy and nutritious meal. This thick yogurt is very effective in supporting your baby's healthy weight gain. Bananas help babies gain weight by providing energy, nutrients, and healthy calories. First, peel a banana and cut it into small pieces. Then place the pieces in a bowl and mash them well with a fork until smooth. Next, add 1 tablespoon of beaten egg to the mashed banana and mix everything properly to make a smooth batter. After that, lightly heat a pan and pour small spoonfuls of the batter to make mini pancakes. Cook them until the bottom side turns light brown, then carefully flip and cook the other side. Once the pancakes are fully cooked and soft, remove them from the pan and place them on a plate. Now cut the pancakes into small pieces that are easy for your baby to eat. Mash the pancake pieces with a fork. Then add another small banana and mash everything together until smooth. Finally, transfer the mashed mixture into a clean bowl. Your healthy and delicious banana pancake mash is ready. This nutritious food helps support your baby's growth, energy, and healthy weight gain. Mangoes are a healthy and tasty fruit for babies and help with natural weight gain. They are rich in calories, vitamins, and natural sugars that give energy and support growth. Soft, ripe mango can be mashed easily and is gentle on a baby's stomach. Giving mango in small amounts can support healthy baby weight gain. Breastfeeding and formula is the best source of nutrition for babies, providing all the essential nutrients for healthy growth. It strengthens the baby's immunity and helps in proper brain and body development. Regular breastfeeding also supports healthy weight gain and keeps the baby strong. Boiled eggs are a nutritious food that helps babies gain weight in a healthy way. They contain high-quality protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that support growth and muscle development. Eggs give lasting energy and help babies feel full for longer. Make sure eggs are fully cooked, cleanly prepared, and freshly served to support safe and steady growth. Soft carrots are an excellent food for babies learning to eat solids. These carrots are rich in natural vitamins, minerals, and energy that support healthy growth and development. Their soft texture is gentle on the baby's gums and stomach, helping improve digestion. Regularly offering soft carrot sticks can aid in steady and healthy weight gain for babies. Boiled broccoli is a nutritious food that helps babies gain healthy weight. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, supporting overall growth and development. Soft-boiled broccoli is easy for babies to chew and digest, improving appetite and digestion. It also strengthens immunity and promotes brain development, making it an excellent choice for babies. Potatoes help babies gain weight by providing energy, healthy carbohydrates, and essential nutrients. First, take 1 potato and peel it carefully. Cut it into small pieces and boil the pieces for about 5 minutes until they are soft. Once boiled, take out the potato and place it on a plate. Mash it gently with a spoon or fork until smooth. Now, transfer the mashed potato into a blender to make a smoother paste. Next, add the yolk of 1 hard-boiled egg to the blender. Then add 1 small piece of salted butter. Pour in half a cup of warm water. Cover the blender with its lid and blend all the ingredients for about 5 minutes until everything becomes smooth and creamy. Now, pour the creamy mixture into a clean bowl. Mix it well with a spoon. You can serve this soft mashed potato and egg mix as a healthy meal for your baby. It is nutritious, creamy, and perfect for supporting healthy weight gain. Nutrition Organic Formula for Babies provides essential vitamins, minerals, and proteins needed for healthy growth. It supports proper brain and body development while promoting strong immunity. The formula is easy to digest, making it gentle on a baby's stomach. Regular use can help babies gain weight safely and stay healthy and energetic. So, by giving these foods and products, your baby can gain weight healthily.